lang yan na eliminated na.
Sa banda yun ba?
Ah. Doon kayo. Susunod pa ko yun eh. Akin na remote.
God, I hate those stupid jobs.
Bawal kalta.
People in school. I know.
She's-
Do what's for me.
She's...
That fucking slut is gonna punish us again. I'm crazy.
Forward mo nga.
How can you
Joke lang.
Paparad ko.
She's a nun.
Kasi nakakatakot na.
Yan.
Alay na.
Yun. Gusto ko yun.
Sa pinakahulyan kasi.
Ayoko naman kasi gusto ko yun. Yung hahampas.
Ah, sige, hahampasin.
Yan nandito. Dito mo yan.
Alis mo kami.
She's... Yung hinahampas. Doon mo Yan!
Excuse not to be seen.
Next.
It's punishment.
Ako pursuing.
All your other teachers have told me that your behavior gets worse every day. Your disobedience and lack
Pwede na
of
charge mo
respect
na?
are unacceptable.
Yung panin mo. Lumot ka.
This institution will not allow you to stray
Pwede ba
longer
namubo yung
than
ano
this.
bukod sa
Your parents
pinagkabutin?
have entrusted me
Tayo
with
gawa na.
a mission.
Sige ha, mamaya. Ganyan. Yung
That's why
nakakatakot
they
yung
brought you
sobra.
from your respective
Horror
countries to
movie
this
na
boarding
mo
school.
kasi. Ulitin kayo natin yung bakit kasi kaya
You
na 10
wanted to
minutes
keep
lang.
you away from sin,
Okay lang yun. Mas
and
maganda
I
yung
shall
10
fulfill
minutes
my
kasi kapag
responsibilities
mga 11, hindi
in spite of you.
Hello.
Joanna, Mary, Christine,
Hindi mo na
Eulalia, Amy, Susan. All of you young ladies have Christian names, names of saints and holy women. All of them suffered martyrdom, torture, and pain.
Aanim lang ang
They
estudyante.
taught us that sacrifice
Grabe
brings
na.
us closer to
Wala
God
pang lalaki.
and to
Lalaki ba?
perfection, and keeps us from sin,
Wala pang lalaki.
and worthy of
Mata.
being
Puro ay.
reunited with
mamatay yung
God.